Tired of frizzy hair or weak airflow from your old dryer? In this video, we'll show you the best hair dryers that deliver salon-quality results right at home. Powerful, fast, and gentle on your hair. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover top-rated products for your lifestyle. Number 1. Remington 1 Dry and Style Hair Dryer. The Remington 1 Dry and Style Hair Dryer delivers impressive performance at an affordable price point. Its salon-grade 2,000-watt motor and 8 heat speed settings ensure quick, efficient drying for various hair types, and the dual ionic system helps towards smooth, frizz-free results. With 4 versatile attachments, including a flyaway tamer and curl-defining diffuser, it caters to diverse styling needs. Whilst its 700 grams weight may be noticeable compared to lighter models, the combination of power, features, and value makes it a standout choice for those seeking quality without the premium price tag. Advanced ceramic and ionic drying technology helps fight frizz and heat damage, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and shiny. Keep the dryer 8 inches from your scalp and always aim downward for a sleek finish. Number 2. Dyson Supersonic R. The Dyson Supersonic R builds on everything that made the original Supersonic iconic, elevating the experience with a sleeker design and smart attachments engineered for professional-grade performance. Initially developed for salon use, it's now available for at-home consumers too, and it's already generating buzz for its intelligent airflow control, advanced heat protection, and impressively quiet operation. 3 speed settings: high for fast drying and styling, medium for regular drying, and low for diffusing. 4 heat settings: 212 degrees Fahrenheit with fast drying and styling, 176 degrees Fahrenheit regular drying, 140 degrees Fahrenheit cooler drying, 82 degrees Fahrenheit constant cold to set hair after styling. Lightweight and balanced, magnetic attachments adjust quickly and easily. Number 3. Certified Shark Speed Style Pro Flex. The Shark Speed Style Pro Flex is a thoughtfully upgraded version of its predecessor, the original Shark Speed Style 3-in-1. It retains the lightweight design and versatile attachments, whilst introducing notable enhancements like foldable design and the innovative scalp shield technology, whilst the absence of a storage bag and slightly fiddly attachments are minor drawbacks. The Pro Flex's performance and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for those seeking salon results at home, whilst the Rapid Gloss Finisher uses dual high-speed airflow to smooth flyaways and boost shine, giving you salon-quality results without the frizz, perfect for straight and wavy hair. Advanced technology regulates temperature 1,000 times per second, staying below 230 degrees Fahrenheit to protect hair from heat damage while still delivering fast, effective styling. Number 4. Wearing Nikki Clark AirStyle Pro. Designed by celebrity hairstylist Nikki Clark, the AirStyle Pro is an impressive 2-in-1 hair dryer and styler that might be more powerful than the Dyson and Shark combined. Its infrared and ionic technology works to keep your hair in a healthy and frizz-free condition, and it also protects your scalp from heat damage. The powerful motor cuts your drying and styling time down, even if you have extremely thick hair. It comes with an array of attachments to play with, and despite its size, the Nikki Clark AirStyle Pro is surprisingly lightweight. It doesn't make too much noise either. Extra. Experience the luxury of a quiet styling session. The Nikki Clark AirStyle Pro operates with a refined hush at only 74 dB, allowing you to create your signature look in tranquility without compromising on performance. Number 5. Blow. EMD London Blow took home Best Hairstyling Tool at the T3 Awards 2024, and it's easy to see why. Combining powerful performance with a lightweight, ultra-quiet design, it's the most impressive hair dryer we've tested in a long time. It delivers salon-worthy, shiny results, and the stylish color options are a bonus too. Yes, it sits at a higher price point, but if you're after a thoughtfully designed, high-performing tool that truly elevates your styling routine, this one's a standout. Frizz-fighting ionic plus ceramic tech. Release millions of negative ions while the ceramic-coated barrel evenly distributes heat, reducing frizz and heat damage for shiny salon-like results at home. 3 heat and speed settings for all hair types. Choose from 3 temperature and airflow levels to suit fine, normal, or thick hair, custom styling for smooth results without over-drying or underpowering.